If your power button or side button is broken or not working, you can still turn off your iPhone using a few simple methods. For the first and easiest method on updated iPhones running iOS 26, you can power off from the Control Center. Open the Control Center from the top right corner of the screen. Touch and hold the Power Off button until you feel a haptic vibration. As you can see, the Slide to Power Off slider appears on the screen. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. That's it. To turn it back on without using a button, connect your iPhone to a power source. After a few seconds, you will see the Apple logo appear on the screen. The second method to power off your iPhone is from the Settings app. Launch the Settings app and scroll to General. Again, scroll to the last option, Shut Down, and slide your finger on the slider to power off the iPhone. To turn it on again, connect the iPhone to the charging cable, just like we did in the first method. The third method is using AssistiveTouch. First, enable AssistiveTouch from Settings. Launch the Settings app, scroll a little, and tap Accessibility. Scroll to Touch and select AssistiveTouch. Enable the toggle for AssistiveTouch, and as you can see, the floating touch button appears on the screen. Open the AssistiveTouch control, tap Device, then tap More. Tap Restart and confirm the restart option in the pop-up. With this method, your iPhone will turn on again by rebooting the device automatically. Now, the last easy method is using Siri commands. Make sure Siri or Hey Siri is enabled on your iPhone. If not, enable it from the Settings app. Launch the Settings app and scroll to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Open the option called Talk and Type to Siri. Enable Siri or Hey Siri and complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions. You can also check my separate tutorial linked in the video description. Then say, Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone. Siri will ask for confirmation. Say yes, and your iPhone will turn off automatically without touching any button. Those are all 5 of the most helpful ways to power off your iPhone without pressing the power button. Please like this video to support the channel, share your questions in the comment section, and subscribe for new video updates.